Hey there, it's Petra here from BigIncomeParadise.com, and in this video I would like to show you how to use Trello. So basically it's a great site where you can organize everything from social media content to blog post content and everything that you want, everything that you need to organize. Okay, so this is where you're gonna land. This is a content calendar. Yes, it is for September, but you can use it in November, December, in 2020, in June if you want to. Whenever you get this, you can just change the dates here, okay? And you can use it. So yes, it is for 1 month, okay? And I did put content in already. So you can use it for 1 month, then you're gonna have to change the content because and by the way, I didn't put content here because we're all in different niches, different businesses. I couldn't actually include selfies and your lifestyle because probably we don't know each other that good, and this is actually for you and for everyone else. So you will have to create your own stuff here. But I'm going to show you everything. But before we start, I want to show you, if you click here, you are going to get the link to this video that I'm making right now. This video is going to be on YouTube, so if you're watching this on YouTube, all of the links are going to be below this video. If you're watching this on my blog, then there's going to be links in the blog post and so on. So the next thing is I included all of the well, not all of my blog posts, but most of them that are going to help you grow your business fast. So if you want to check it out, just click here. This is going to open up, show full description, click there, and there you have it. So if you want to check all my blog posts, you can go to Big Income Paradise, just click there, and underneath the blog, there you have all of the blog posts that you can check out. So the next thing is I included where we can connect. So we can connect in my free marketing coaching group, on my Facebook page, on Pinterest, on Instagram. So you just click and you just send me a request or follow me or whatever. Okay, so there's that. Now, before you start using this content calendar, I want you to go here, show menu, go here back until you're on this menu, click more, and then copy board. Title it like you want it. I'm gonna just say test for this video, but you can title it my social media content calendar or social media content calendar so that you see it's different. So Big Income Paradise, social media content calendar, Big Income Paradise, you will know this is basically where you got the board. But if you want to change everything inside, you need to copy this board. So make a title that's going to make sense for you. Have it private, keep the cards, and just click create. Now you're going to wait for a couple of seconds and it's going to open your board. So this is going to be private, it's going to be yours. So now we are going to go into how to use this content calendar. As you can see, it says Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, Sunday. Now for this is made for September, but like I said, you can use it any other month. Okay, so let's check it out. We're gonna go to 2020, let's say April 2020, and you want to start on 6th of April. Okay, you just change this. So again, click here and just change the date here. Click here, so 6th of April 2020, right? I'm not gonna do this right now, but that's it. If it bothers you, okay, so that you know on which day you need to post, specific post. So you can just, change everything basically. Just make sure that it's on Monday, let's say, right? So we said April 2020, 6th is on Monday. 13th, it's on Monday. 20th, Monday, right? Everything has to go there so that you are actually really posting at the right time or at the right day, right? So if we click on this, we have labels. You see labels everywhere. Why is this so good? Let me show you. Let's pretend this says business post, value, business post, quotes, business post. You would see that there's too much green, okay? And if you just see colors like this, just click on the color and it's going to show you what it means. So if you see that there's too much of the same color, so here I explained that you're going to sell your business through a story, okay? And you can share a story here about not sell anything, just to motivate people, okay? So you can use it like this, but if it would be business post, value, business post, you would see that you're using too many business posts. If you're posting once per day on Facebook or once per day on Instagram or anywhere else, basically you could use 1 or maybe up to 2 business posts per week. Maybe up to 2, not more, okay? 80-20 rule. If you don't know what that is, and if you want to learn, if you want to get the complete guide to successfully plan your social media content, and if you're watching this on YouTube, then the link is going to be down below. If you're watching this on my blog, basically you're already on that blog post. So now you know what these labels are for. Of course, I always click on the labels. You need to click here, okay? So then you have a description, which I use for hashtags. I didn't include them because, like I said, we're all in different niches. So you have to include your own hashtags. Maybe for Instagram, you can I can't talk and type. So you can include hashtags for Pinterest, you can include hashtags for Twitter, and so on, okay? You can do whatever you want here. I just show you that you can set hashtags in here so that it's easier for you. You just come here, and if you want to, let's say, you go to Instagram, and by the way, you can follow me. Yeah. Let's say it's Labor Day on Monday. I want to post this. I click on the picture. By the way, you can use these pictures. I made them myself, and they're free to use. The pictures in these pictures are basically royalty free, so you can use them, no problem. So click with the right mouse click, save as, and save it to desktop, right? And then you can upload that image to your Instagram. You upload it, you go back, you copy this, Happy Labor Day, right? Copy. You go back, you post it in your post, then you come back here, you use your hashtags. So let's say you have hashtags, you copy them, right? Let's go, and you paste them to your Instagram post. When you publish your post on Instagram, you go back and you click here so that you know you made a post. Now, why are there 2 posts and 2 pictures? Basically, this is why I tell you you can use this content calendar any month of any year, because, and for only 1 month, by the way. You can't keep repeating and keep posting the same stuff, obviously. But here's the thing. On 2nd of September, it's Labor Day in America, okay? So if you're not from America, you can actually say here, hey, my American friends, I wish you, a happy Labor Day, right? You can just do that if you're not from America. This is what I'm gonna actually do. But yeah, but if you're using this in June 2020, you're not gonna actually post Happy Labor Day, because it's not, Labor Day in June, let's say 5th June 2020. It's not Labor Day, so you're gonna use this picture if you want, of course, or you can just use this text. So copy this text and paste it to Facebook, Instagram, whatever. Well, on Instagram, you will need to use a picture. You can actually create your own picture, and you can add it, attach it here, computer, and attach it. Okay? Now, if you don't want it, just delete it. That's it. It's not rocket science. So again, when let's say you make this post, you post it, you come back here, you click this so that you know you've finished. Okay? Now, this is how you use, so Monday, 2nd of September, Tuesday, 3rd of September, or maybe Wednesday, 4th of June 2020, or whatever the date is going to be. Make sure the labels are all mixed up so that it's not business, 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 and just some of quotes or too many quotes or whatever, okay? Makes sense? It makes sense. Don't forget there's Saturday and Sunday here. Yes, you need to post every single day, okay? Take it seriously, because you need to be in front of your audience every single day so that they remember you. And if you're going to be consistent, people love to work with consistent people, right? They don't want to work with someone who's not consistently posting. So this is why you need to learn how to schedule everything, so to organize and be consistent throughout the whole week. Yes, Saturday, Sunday too. So if you want to add another card like this, let's say in September there's 31st of September. It's not, but okay, let's pretend it is. Just write date 31st of September 2000 and I don't know, 81. Let's pretend. And that there's that. So just add another card, put a name on it, then you click on it. Here in the description are your hashtags, right? Then label it whatever it's gonna be. You can change this, by the way, by clicking here and changing the name of it, okay? But let's say it's gonna be a business post, and then you create checklist. Just click here, add, put your text of your post, okay? You add it here. Then you set up a date, because there's no 31st of September. Let's pretend this is 31st of September. Set up your time, reminder 5 to 10 minutes before, save it, check it out. Okay, maybe you want to attach a picture, let's say this one. You wait a little bit so that it uploads. You remove the cover so that, I don't know if you saw this. You don't want this, because then everything's not going to be in line. So remove cover, the picture's still going to be in here, and probably that's that, right? That's all you need to do. So when you actually make a post, you copy this, you take this picture down, you upload it to Facebook, you copy the text there, you make a post, you come back here, click this, and you're done. And then the next day, let's say 32nd of September, 2081, you want to create some other post. So let's say value, right? And you create it, and when you're done, check it, right? And that's it. So if you made a mistake, and let's say I made a mistake here and I made 31st of September 2081, right? It doesn't exist. Maybe it's going to exist in 2081, you never know, but right now it doesn't exist. So how do I get rid of it? Click here and archive, and it's gone. By the way, you can actually change the background. As you can see here, you can change it. You can just use the colors or photos if you want, and that's it. Okay, it's super simple. But if you have any questions, just click here, connect with me anywhere here, and I'm gonna try and help you, or you can go on YouTube and watch videos. There's a ton of videos, I'm telling you. So all of the links to Trello, first you need to, of course, make an account, and then you can click on the link to get this board, okay? There's gonna be a link to this Trello board and to everything, so you won't need to Google everything, okay? I think this makes sense. I wish you all the best. Use this any month of the year, any year basically, and when you're done, then start changing it, because like I said, you cannot go back and use the same thing over and over and over again, right? So thank you for watching this, and see you next time.